Well, ended up finding out what that crunching noise was in the front differential. Gear snapped straight down the center. Spent 6 hours, still not done with it. Although, the black labels on Trials are looking really, really good though. I just gotta not use that. Figure out how to get the CVs to connect to the differentials, and then we'll be set to put everything back together, and then wait on a metal transmission housing and then redo the transmission, or might do it now and then rebuild it again with a metal one. Who knows? And then everything that's in that box is the updated inner fenders to go with the magnet mount. Magnet mount is installed. Having some trouble with the brass skid though. But yeah, I mean, we'll get there eventually. I know the boys end up getting that joke. Underside ain't finished yet, but we'll get to finishing it tomorrow, hopefully. Looking good though. Well, slowly starting to resemble a truck again. Got the transmission back in it, figured out the skid plate, what I was doing wrong. Got the magnetic mount inner fenders in. Everything's starting to come together. Looking good, looking good. But still got more to do, and she's looking pitiful at the moment. Still get all that to figure out. Putting CVs into the axles and all that. She is completely done. Everything works. Everything works smoothly like it should. Everything is in. Took a while to get the CV axles into the diffs and get all that done, but portals are all greased up. Diffs all greased up. Front and rear. Didn't do the transmission. We'll do that when I get a metal transmission housing to swap everything over, but she looks pretty doggone good.